Whoa!
Oh my god!
Whoa!
Oh my god!
Welcome to Kinder Kids! Hello guys, it's Yaya and Omar from Kinder Kids! Guys, I'm excited because we're doing a dinosaur volcano explosion.
That's awesome. How are you going to do that?
I'm a scientist. We have all these dinosaurs in a volcano. And this is the volcano. It's gonna explode. Yeah, with red. Yes. And we got here some water. Okay, guys, I got some vinegar and baking soda and a spoon.
All right, so...
Let's get started.
All right, who's excited, guys?
Me!
Woo! You guys want to see this?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
On your mark?
Guys, get set.
Okay, so what you're going to do first, Yaya, is you're going to put some baking soda in there, in the volcano.
Yeah. Do it.
All right. And then you got to put what? The vinegar in the volcano?
Yeah. Quickly. Yeah.
You know what? Let's put some more baking soda to make it bigger.
No. That's nice. No, that.
So show me what you got. You got some baking soda in there?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Now we need vinegar. We need to add some more of those.
All right. So are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna add the vinegar inside the volcano.
Yeah.
And it's gonna erupt.
Yeah.
And these dinosaurs have to escape.
Yeah. Okay. From the city.
Do it slowly, okay?
Okay. Yeah, I don't want to touch. Here comes nothing. Or something. I'm so.
Whoa!
Oh my god! I don't know that.
That's crazy.
Should the dinosaurs escape?
No, they're dead because it's so hot, the lava, right?
Oh yeah.
You guys are scientists.
Yeah. Guys, now he fell in with his face. Test. Their faces. So guys, this is how the scientist is. I put a man into these. Push it, guys. Look.
Oh my God, you're nuts.
Stop. Okay, guys. Now the dinosaurs are lava. What should we do? Okay, guys. Next, something else.
Whoa, that's cool. I'm excited. Let's get this cleaned up and let's do something else.
Oh, yeah. We're making the clouds rain.
Oh, that's so awesome. Are you guys excited?
Oh, yeah.
Show me your dance moves. That's it?
Yeah.
Show me some more dance moves.
Okay.
Are you guys cool scientists?
Yeah.
All right, let's get ready.
But let's do it, guys. It went on the floor. Oh my god. That's my turn. That's my turn, brother. Oh, snap. Oh man. This is squishy or something. If he loses, he's gonna... I spilled too much. It's not going in. Nice. It's not going in. Because you messed it up.
Wow, that's amazing.
No more.
You guys are so smart.
Yes.
So how did you make that?
We used that. We used cream and... No, my turn. Food coloring.
Wow, that's amazing.
That's what we used. No, it's water. Okay, guys, the next one's Skittles.
Really?
Yeah.
Who loves Skittles?
Me.
All right, high five.
Oh, squish them in yellow. I have another Shrek. Another volcano.
What color do you like? What's your favorite color?
Mine's green.
Green, what about you?
Mine's blue.
So let's do green and blue. You know green and blue makes another color, right?
This is how.
Okay, wait, I think we have to add some baking soda into that.
What? There.
So now we have to make the eruption happen.
Okay, guys, now we're gonna. No, we have to add these into the volcano.
You ready?
Yep. Okay, guys, this is gonna happen. Oh no! Don't have it. No! It's gonna do it. Get out! Oh! Crap. I'm getting out. No. I'm getting out of here. It's gonna explode onto my glasses.
We're gonna have a big eruption.
Okay,
it might hit the ceiling though.
Okay, guys. When you do this, it will happen to exploding. Yeah. Okay, guys. If ready, set, go. I'm staying here. Okay, guys. It's gonna explode soon. Yeah, the ceiling. Okay, guys. I don't want it to explode the ceiling. It will explode the whole entire box. Okay, guys. Explosion. Let me do that. Explosion.
You want to do the other one?
Yes. Okay. I'm so scared this guy. Can I do it? Guys, look. I think it's gonna really explode with these. Okay, guys.
Wow. You guys are really scientists.
Guys, can I touch it? I'm gonna put this garbage.
Okay.
No.
Put it.
Okay. No! What? Nothing. Okay, guys. What should we do with this? Now we should all do everything. I think now we might put it. What's gonna happen? It's gonna this color, the soda color. Why is not doing nothing? Because of that paper. I'm gonna do this. Now can I do it now? That's a bunny. No, I want to do it now. Let me do this. Okay, guys, look. Okay, wait. Okay, guys. Yay. Okay, guys. Ah! It's gonna explode. Why are you doing it? Ah! What?
All right, you guys are ready? I think that's all for today. Did you guys have fun?
Yes.
Oh, wait.
Skittles!
Woo! Who likes Skittles?
But I want to show Skittles! I want to eat. What if we put this in there? What if we put the cream in there? What? Look.
What happens now?
What?
I think we have to wait and find out.
They're bleeding.
Oh, you see that?
Yes.
It's like paint.
Wait.
That's so cool. It's like a rainbow.
What? Exploding. Can I take the Skittles out? They might die, Skittles. They might die. Oh, what the birdos? I'm gonna put these there. Put some Skittles there.
Wow, look at that. That's so cool.
That's a rainbow. That's so cool.
Wow, you guys are
Brother,
scientists.
look. Make sure you hit that button. Subscribe to our channel and hit that bell. And take this This is a